Hi, my name is Cindy Farr, and I'm the Incident Commander for the Missoula City County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my daily briefing. First, I just want to say thank you to Christine for the beautiful potted flowers that you brought for our team yesterday. It was super thoughtful of you and really brought us all a smile on a very busy Monday, and thanks for the lovely card as well. So today, as of today, we've had a total of 41 cases to date in Missoula. 39 of those cases were identified by testing and 2 were epi-linked. We've had 40 recoveries and 1 death, and we have no active cases in isolation at this time, but we do continue to follow our remaining close contacts. The state has had a total of 456 cases and has had 16 deaths. The state made a change to the case counts from yesterday. Yesterday that we said 457 cases, and today it says 456. While I don't know the exact reason for that change, my guess would be that there was a case that was being counted as a Montana case, and then we found out that they actually reside somewhere else, and so that could be a reason for that drop in case count. First, I want to talk about retail businesses. Yesterday, we talked about restaurants and bars moving back to dine-in service, but I also want to take a moment to cover other retail businesses that were permitted to open last week. Retail businesses are limited to curbside pickup unless they can promote social distancing measures that were outlined by the governor and the local health officer. Retail businesses must reduce capacity to 50% and have measures in place like barriers or signs that outline social distancing requirements. They must train their staff in good hygiene, social distancing, symptoms of COVID-19, and employee exclusions. Retail businesses must conduct employee health screenings and prevent ill employees from working. Any waiting areas where customers or employees can gather need to be closed. The governor's plan also asks that retail businesses minimize non-essential business travel, encourage teleworking when possible, and accommodate for vulnerable employees. The health department requires that these businesses have a plan to meet the governor's directive and any local requirements, and that they train their employees on the plan. We also encourage face coverings for employees and customers. The Board of Health face covering recommendation would apply in many retail settings. If any employees are having symptoms, they should contact their healthcare provider or call our testing center to schedule an appointment for a test. You can help these retail businesses by following their directions and respecting any procedures or protocols that they've put in place to keep their employees and you, their customers, as safe as possible. Yesterday, we talked about why we can take these gradual steps forward. While we know that COVID-19 is still in the community, we have had a steady decrease in cases, and our numbers of close contacts continues to decrease. Our testing capacity and the number of people tested continues to improve. That doesn't mean that we can go back to normal or that every establishment can resume operating, but we can definitely take steps with businesses where social distancing is possible. With the right measures in place, we can continue to move forward responsibly. So we've had a lot of questions about when things are going to move into phase 2 of reopening. While things are improving here in Missoula, we're continuing to monitor cases and testing capabilities. And as we have mentioned in previous daily briefings, monitoring really needs to happen in 2-week intervals based on the virus's incubation period. This Friday marks a reassessment point locally here in Missoula County. That being said, while Ellen can review local information and modify local orders, she cannot change the pace of things that are set on the state level. So phase 2 is actually set by Governor Bullock, and we don't know when that point will come or what that will entail. We also don't know how long the quarantine order will last for out-of-state travel for travelers to Montana. When the governor signals a change, we will review those changes locally and then communicate the next steps with you. In the meantime, the places delayed until phase 2 are still the same, and the limitation on gatherings is still 10 people when social distancing is not possible per the governor, and 25 people for events per local order. So that's it for my daily briefing today. As always, you can subscribe to me on YouTube, click that little notification bell to get notified whenever new videos are updated. That's under my name, Cindy Farr, CindyFarr. You can follow us on Facebook. We put lots of great information there. That's under the Missoula City County Health Department Facebook page. Check our website for more information at missoula.co/cvirus. And you can call to schedule a test or if you just have other questions about COVID-19 that you would like to get answered at 258-INFO. So until tomorrow, everyone, stay healthy.